What is going on, YouTube? Oh damn, I sound like a motherfucking professional vlogger already. Okay. And welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Yo, it's the first video, and as you can tell by the title, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be installing the rear lip on the RSX, and it's been a long time coming, man. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of the RSX and kind of give you a backstory on how I got it and what I've done to it, because you know the boy been putting in work on the damn car, and I wish I would have just, you know, picked up the camera sooner. But I mean, like, better late than never, but never late is better. Shout out Drizzy Drake, you feel me? I'm gonna tag you guys along the ride. Stay tuned and man, enjoy the show. Sit back, go ahead and grab yourself some popcorn and all that. And here we go. A little bit of foot check, you know what I'm saying? Boy, getting a little bit tatted on the legs, you feel me? All my Dragon Ball Z fans, you already know. Come on now, quit playing with me. All right, man, like I said, man, here she is, bro. Just out of the paint. You know what I'm saying? We went with Milano Red. And when I tell you guys, the car did not look like this when I first got it. We also did a little something on the interior. You know, some light at the NRGs. Big shout outs to you, all my anime fans out there. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. All right, so where we're heading to is actually my homie's shop. He's put mad work on this car. I ain't gonna cap. You know, he's installed a lot of things for me, and you guys are gonna see him a lot in my vlogs because this is gonna be the first of many cars that we're gonna fucking build in this damn channel. So if you do like the content, like I said, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, feel me? Help your boy out, man. Sheesh. Had to make a little quick stop over here to grab some things, but you guys are looking at my other toy right here. It's a R6 2003 600. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to see like motor vlogs or whatnot, I might just go ahead and have to do that. Yeah, feel me? Yup, but here she is, guys, in the motherfucking sunlight. This is what we're working with. She's come a long way. We put new headlights on her. Like I mentioned before, we resprayed the whole thing. We went with a black pearl on the splitter right there. I believe that's a WRX splitter. Like I said, we went with the Whistlers SK1s, sunlight. Yeah, feel me? Sheesh. We got the benzo. Is this thing bagged? Yo, is this thing bagged or what? Static. Static gang. Static gang ski. Say what's up to the vlog. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, this car is pretty sick.
Just needs a banner that says ruined. Who slams a luxury car?
Okay. Out here fender rolling the big body benzo.
Show them why.
For those that don't know why you gotta roll your fenders when you slam a car, it's to avoid this right here. It's to avoid that bacon right there, you feel me? And here's the rear lip that we finna install. We added the third brake light there too. You know what I'm saying? It does have some crack because this was previously on the car. But we did take it off just to spray it the same color. You feel me? And don't mind it being so dirty. It rained a couple days ago. So I'm about to go ahead and wipe that down. All right, let's go ahead and start the installation on this thing. All right, and just like that, we got the rear bumper off, so we can go ahead and smack that on there. You feel me?
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Yo, she's almost done. We said, fuck it, we gonna add the side skirt extensions too. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? All right, this is the for real, this is the finished product. We added on the side skirt extension. You feel me? And then you already know. Come on now. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Yes, sir. Oh man, she looks good. She really does. She really, man, there's a lot of hard work and dedication right here. Damn. Oh, she looks good, bro. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. But yeah, I mean, like, to be honest, we've been working on this shit all day. You know what I'm saying? And if you like the content, I mean, like, I know that's some light for my first video, but I mean, like, we gonna get better. I look like Drake. Hold on, with like the.
I just love when I'm with you. Yeah, this shit is on.
You feel me? But hey, no. But for real, thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, if you like the content, if you like the ride, you feel me? Go ahead and smash the like button. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the bell notifications, all that shit that these motherfucking YouTubers be saying. You feel me? And on to the next one.